I saw myself in the mirror for the first time and I was like, oh my God, I am Dhanu. She's very, very innocent. She compares Hoshiar to her Belle. Nandu was her world before she got married, and now she's gotten married to this person, and now he's her world. So she comes from that purity of her heart and that level of innocence that, she draws a comparison like that. Scenes perform karte हुए, there's a lot that I learned from him without him telling me. पहली बार जब लाइक ऐसा नहीं मुलाकात हुई उनके साथ, तो मुकेश छाबड़ा सर के साथ, तो वो दोनों आपस में पंजाबी में बात करती थी, पाजी पाजी करके, दो जमात पढ़ के घड़ा चौधरी ना बन. Some people even think that it may come across as rude because of the way
Yeah,
that it is spoken.
yeah.
In my head I thought कि चलो मेरा first show आ जाएगा, उसके बाद hopefully a little more people at least in the industry will know me. I've been a very, 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 very big Shah Rukh Khan fan. I would love to work with Sir in whatever capacity that I can.
Medha Rana, welcome to CNN News 18.
Thank you.
Medha, you play the role of Dhanvanti Devi, who is the wife of Hoshiar Singh Dhaiya, played by Varun Dhawan in the film Border 2. First, many congratulations for the
Thank
super
you.
success of the film.
Thank you so much.
This is of course your big screen debut.
Yes.
Has your phone stopped ringing ever since the film release?
Yes, it's not been constantly ringing, but it's been very active, let's just say that. I've been getting messages and calls from a lot of people, very unexpected messages from the industry, and that's been a very pinch me moment. I remember I got a message from um, an actor yesterday, and my sister was the first person that I told, ki, oh my God, look who messaged me, pinch me. And I sent the screenshot on my family group because I got so excited. But yes, it's been very overwhelming.
How has your life changed in these last 7 days?
So I don't think it's changed in any way. ऐसे तो नहीं होता है ना कि मतलब कुछ हो and then overnight things change. I don't think that's happened.
Really, the days before the release and
The days before the release were, honestly, I was very nervous because I hadn't seen anything. I even when I went to dub, I'd only seen like a very small clip जिसमें बहुत ऐसे ना breath वाली आवाज करनी थी. So I didn't even watch the scenes. So for me, I was feeling very nervous and anxious about how I've performed, how it's going to look, how is the entire film going to look, and just um, yeah, my performance mainly. I was very, very nervous about that. So pre-release, that was the emotion primarily, and post-release, I think that's turned into a lot of gratitude and just like receiving all the love that the film is receiving.
what kind of brief did you get about your character
Hmm.
from the director?
Um, I was given a character sketch of Dhanvanti Devi ji, and it was pretty self-explanatory. But I have to mention here that the person who really helped me work on this character was Anurag sir's wife. Her name is Madhurjeet Sargi. I take the liberty of calling her MJ. So she's also written the scenes, and she's an actor herself. She's also an acting coach. She does basically everything. So I worked with her a little bit to understand the character, to really break the character down and um, work on the scenes, work on the dialect. So she really, really helped me um, bring her to life.
Do you specifically work on the body language of your character,
I
or
kind,
was there a core emotion that you were attached to the most that you kept in mind?
I think I wouldn't say there was any one core emotion. I think it was a lot of love, sacrifice, respect, and innocence. She is as a character, you would have noticed in the film that she's very, very innocent. She compares Hoshiar to her Belle, who is Nandu. Basically, that was her best friend. That Nandu was her world before she got married, and now she's gotten married to this person, and now he's her world. So she comes from that purity of her heart and that level of innocence that she draws a comparison like that. And for her now, she's left her house, come here to um, make a family and just be the person for Hoshiar who's not had a family, who's not had anybody take care of him all these years. So I think her character comes from a lot of love and respect and a lot of innocence as well. So of course, body language is something that I think eventually happened. I didn't really prep for the body language. I I think a lot of it happened, the physicality part of it happened once I was in proper hair, makeup, and costume. I saw myself in the mirror for the first time and I was like, oh my God, I am Dhanno. So, that's when it hit me. And then I think the body language kind of came about as a result of the preparation. I didn't really specifically prepare for it.
But did Varun Dhawan give you any tips when you were, especially for those scenes?
Tips?
Was there a moment where you felt his support was very important to you?
Absolutely. I think he was very, very supportive throughout my filming process. Right from the first day on set, he was very, very sweet and supportive. And, whenever I would feel scared or intimidated for a particular scene, I would discuss it with him. And then he has this way of like really making people around him feel comfortable. And he's excellent at that. And I think that really, really helped me ease into the character and sort of perform it to the best of my ability. Tips तो मतलब scenes perform karte हुए, there's a lot that I learned from him without him telling me.
Right.
Just like how he goes about, how he switches into character, switches out of character, and how his eyes are so expressive. The way he got onto the accent. He's also not somebody who speaks the language, but he also got onto it very, very beautifully. But there's one thing that I asked him, and he sort of taught me was कि lip sync कैसे करते हैं, because that is something I've always been interested to know, and it's not easy to sort of lip sync to a song. So there's a song which will I think later come out in the film. There's a little part where he does a lip sync. That's the one that I saw. Otherwise, of course, the other songs he's done quite a bit. But उसमें मैंने उनसे पूछा कि कैसे किया जाता है, and then he
कैसे
told me
किया
कि वो
जाता है?
2x speed पे play करते हैं, and then you फटाफट फटाफट say it and do the action also फटाफट फटाफट, and then it is played on a slower speed. I don't know the technical term,
But
but
then show us there are
I
viewers,
can't.
and not that song, but perhaps a different song to
I
to
don't
to
think
to, to me to understand what
I
is.
still haven't gotten the
You think the
opportunity yet.
song is played on a faster speed?
Song is played on a faster speed where you do the action and you say the lyric, and then it is played in a in the real time speed.
Is
I
it?
don't know the technical terms, but
But
उन्होंने जिस तरीके से किया था, and I was very intrigued. I was like, teach me how you do this.
but then how much did you know about film director Anurag Singh? He's an
Hmm.
accomplished director.
Yes.
Were you aware of his film?
I have seen two of his films. I've of course watched Kesari and Punjab 1984. I've watched these two. I know that he's done a lot of exceptional work in the Punjabi industry as well. Diljit and Sonam have also had an opportunity to work with him. In fact, I think Diljit's first film was with Sir.
Yeah.
And their association goes long back. So when I first met Anurag Sir, it was like a very surreal moment, meeting such a big director. And my first meeting was the day that, him and the casting director Mukesh Chabra sir, they told me that I got the part. तो उसी दिन पहली बार मेरी मुलाकात हुई थी, तो मैं तो उस दिन रो पड़ी बिल्कुल कि ये कैसे हो सकता है, oh my god. So it was a very, very emotional moment for me. But of course, meeting Anurag sir was very, very special. I got to work with him, and his understanding his work style, and being on the same set as so many legends, was an experience that I will cherish for my lifetime.
You are from Chandigarh. Do you
No,
understand
no,
Punjabi?
I'm not from
No,
Chandigarh.
you spent
I have
part of your
lived
childhood.
there for 2 years.
Do you understand Punjabi?
I can understand it. थोड़ा
So
बहुत.
was he talking to you in Punjabi on the set?
थोड़ा थोड़ा नहीं, not to me, but पहली बार जब like I said मेरी मुलाकात हुई उनके साथ, तो मुकेश छाबड़ा सर के साथ, तो वो दोनों आपस में पंजाबी में बात कर रही थी पाजी पाजी करके, तो मेरे को समझ तो आ जाती है because I have a lot of Punjabi friends also. But मैं बोल नहीं पाती. But set पे sir was very, he spoke in Hindi and English mainly. And he's just been the best, best, best director. He was so patient with me. He had so much confidence in me from day one. I was doubting myself. I was like, oh my god, I don't know if I can do justice to playing a character of that era, of that lingo, of that kind of a mindset and that emotional baggage. But he had faith in me from day one, and he would come to me often. And जब भी उनको लगता था मैं घबरा रही हूँ, मेरे पास आते थे और बोलते थे कि listen, this is your set. We all are very excited to work with you. We want to work with you, and Dhanwanti, you are her. So now just don't worry about anything and just perform.
How comfortable were you initially with the language Haryanvi?
So I'll be very honest. I am from Haryana.
Oh.
Hanji, I am. We're all Jats, my family. And the thing is that I've not grown up in
in
Haryana because my
Haryana.
father's in the army, so we kept moving every 2 years to different places. तो घर पे कोई हरियाणवी नहीं बोलता है. But of course, नाना नानी के साथ, दादा दादी के साथ घर पे हो जाती है मम्मा पापा की बातें. But my sister and I, unfortunately, we never grew up speaking the language. We've grown up speaking Hindi at home. So for this role specifically, I had to learn it,
Brush up.
and I could always understand it, of course, because
Yeah.
I've grown up listening
So
to
what
it.
is the then difference between the core difference between Hindi and Haryanvi?
So it's
Like what kind of certain words that are pronounced differently in Hindi and in
so many. I think the language is completely different. Firstly, it's a dialect. तो लिखी नहीं जाती जैसे पंजाबी भाषा लिखी जाती है तो हरियाणवी लिखी नहीं जाती. It's a dialect.
Okay.
And within Haryana also, different districts, it's spoken differently. There's a change in the lingo, change in the dialect. So it was very tricky for me to kind of crack उस जमाने का बोलने का तरीका, and उसको authentically play करना was something that I sat and worked on with my mom, my nani, and of course Madhurjeet ma'am, who is Anurag sir's wife, and they were very instrumental in helping me do
But
this.
explain us which words are like pronounced differently in Haryanvi to say Hindi. Hindi, please.
So many. जैसे जैसे मैंने, अगर मैं बोलूँ मैंने, तो मणे बोलते हैं उसमें कि
अच्छा.
मण्णे ना लिखवानी चिट्ठी विट्ठी.
Okay.
ठीक है. जैसे so small words are pronounced differently, and language as a core, all the words are different. जैसे मेरी एक line है फिल्म में, जैसे मैं अपने भाई को बोलती हूँ कि दो जमात पढ़ के घड़ा चौधरी ना बन. So basically she's trying to tell him कि तू दो standards पढ़ के अपने आप को इतना तोप मत समझ, पढ़ के सुना क्योंकि मुझे पढ़ना नहीं आता. You know, so the lingo is such that it's very different, and some people even think that it may come across as rude because of the way
Yeah.
that it is spoken. I've heard this stereotype a lot, but
Is that true?
it's just a way of speaking. It's
Is
just
it
the
true?
language.
Is
It's
that-
not at all. I think the language is ठेठ,
Yeah.
है ना, थोड़ी सी वो come across हो सकती है, but
Do you
but
think-
Haryani people are very gentle and
Yeah.
very sweet and kind. So when you
Both you and
speak,
Varun were like.
we were trying our best to speak in Haryanvi, जितना उससे हो पा रहा था, जितना मुझसे हो पा रहा था, पर मजा बहुत आया to
But-
explore this.
How nice. Did you get a chance to meet Diljit Dosanjh?
No, unfortunately, I was very excited to meet him, but I think
Not even
उनका
spoken to him on phone?
not at
Should
all.
have asked Anurag? No?
Oh my god, I could have done that. I'm going to ask him. You're
How
right.
big fan are you of
I am a huge fan of his music. मैंने उनका acting काम पंजाबी में इतना नहीं देखा है, but of course I watched I think all of his Bollywood movies, right from Chamkila to
Good News?
Good News, so many, right? But उनकी म्यूजिक की मैं बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ, तो मैं सबसे ज्यादा एक्साइटेड एक्चुअली इसी बात के लिए थी कि oh my god, Diljit sir is also in the project, and unfortunately I didn't have any scenes with him, and he both him and Sonam wrapped up their shoot just before mine started, so I think then they went their ways.
So you were aware that he's part of the
हाँ जी,
film.
वो तो I knew.
Because there was some but anyway,
Hmm.
you know, we've spoken about music. You know, we heard actors listen to different kind of music while preparing for
हाँ जी.
some emotional scenes.
Yeah.
So what is that how you also
I
prepare?
do. I use music a lot as an emotional, sensory tool. All the time, I use it all the time. It really helps me get into the character. So of course, it depends on what kind of a scene and what character you're
Which
playing.
songs were you listening to?
इसके लिए मैं संदेशे सुन रही थी, पुराने वाला. Obviously, बहुत बार वो वाला गाना मैंने सुना. और एक और सॉन्ग है लुका छुपी. वो भी
From
मैंने
Rang
बहुत
De
बार
Basanti?
सुना. हाँ जी, रंग दे बसंती वाला. That is also very emotional song. हाँ, तो these two songs I mainly listened to for the emotional bits, but apart from this, मैंने Border One की पूरी एल्बम रट ली है इतनी बार सुन के during my shoot. So I think the music was very instrumental in helping me get into character and perform. और Border 2 का music तो है ही इतना iconic. Now this is also such an important part of my life now.
Now Border 2 has become it's a blockbuster now, and it's of course your big Bollywood debut and a successful one. People now know you more. You of course are on the radar of paparazzi. How important do you think paparazzi visibility is for building your profile as an actor performer?
It's all very new to me also because I don't come from a family that belongs to this industry even remotely. Like nobody ऐसे दूर दूर तक भी कोई नहीं है who's involved here. So for me, this whole thing has been a very new experience. But I think in my case, I had started modeling very early. I was 16 when I started modeling. तो उसकी वजह से आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपोजर ऑफ कमिंग टू बॉम्बे. मैं स्कूल में जब होती थी मैं आती थी यहाँ पे शोज के लिए, फैशन शोज वगैरह के लिए. तो उससे मुझे काफ़ी एक्सपोजर मिला ऑफ मीटिंग मीडिया एंड जस्ट लाइक camera people, camera teams, and little bit of pap exposure happened then. So I think I got a little used to it back then. So it did not come as a shock or a extreme surprise to me. But coming back to your question, आपने पूछा कि आपको कितना important लगता है ये. I think maybe कुछ हद तक PR is important for an individual, for a film, for a product, for a project, but only I think to a certain extent. I think the
Casting
work
में getting
is
chance, no?
क्या.
Sometime when you're
Hmm.
seen
Hmm.
at various platforms at various even they also get a
Hmm.
chance for others to think you, imagine you in a role for casting directors or directors.
Hanji, I think that can also be a possibility. So
Do you
yes,
think
to
that?
some extent, I think it is important in today's day and age, especially with social media and with the ease of access that everybody has to social media. It's so easy for me. If I want to know something about you, I'll just look you up, and it's that easy for me to see. So I think for casting directors, of course, it's a very short way of like seeing somebody in different looks and then trying to imagine them in different looks. So I think that way it really does help. I think.
You made your debut with the show London Files
Hanji.
alongside Arjun Rampal.
Hmm.
What would you say was the biggest challenge for a newcomer
That time?
trying
Mhm.
your luck in Bollywood? And do you think, and was there a moment when you realized that casting directors were taking you seriously as an actor?
So in my head, I thought कि चलो मेरा first show आ जाएगा उसके बाद hopefully a little more people at least in the industry will know me. By which I mean the important people who are important for actors to get jobs, which are casting people. And I really did hope that happened. It did translate in some ways, but not the way that I expected. I still nothing changed in my life at all after my first show came out. In fact, even after my first film came out, which was Friday Night Plan, which is on Netflix, उसके बाद भी इतना कुछ खास change नहीं आया. Of course, casting people in the casting fraternity got to know my name. Okay, this actor worked in that project, and then they would call me directly for certain auditions. So I guess that little bit of change happened, but the major change I think has happened now. Now I feel like now more people have seen my work and know that I'm a part of such an iconic film.
Nice.
So that change I'm experiencing now. इससे पहले इतना कुछ hadn't changed. I was auditioning back to back, just like I was before.
So then, which are some of the actors or directors who are on your wish list?
So many.
Now you'll be on everyone's wish list after
I
seeing
hope
about
so. I
Border.
really, really hope so. But so many. I've been a very, 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 very big Shah Rukh Khan fan. I would love to work with Sir in whatever capacity that I can. Him for sure. I love Ranveer Singh, Ranveer Kapoor. वरुण धवन के साथ तो हो गया है. और actresses में I'm a very big Priyanka Chopra fan. Anushka Sharma, Alia Bhatt. So I would love to share the screen with all of them.
And directors?
Directors also so many. Zoya Akhtar, Farhan Akhtar also, and Anurag Basu, Anurag Kashyap. Yes, to name a few.
And finally, I love
Karan Johar also. Sanjay Leela Bhansali also. Oh my God, the list is never ending.
And finally, I love the soundtrack of Border 2.
Thank you.
Which is your favorite song from the film?
घर कब आओगे. I mean, सारे मेरे favorite हैं. मैं ऐसे कह नहीं सकती. But घर कब आओगे तो of course is huge nostalgic value. So that उसकी position change नहीं हो सकती. But उसके अलावा मोहब्बत हो गई है is also a beautiful song.
Palak Muchal voice.
Oh my God, she is beautiful. I think her face sings, her body sings, her energy sings. She's just so good. I've been messaging her, and every time I meet her, I keep telling her how much I love listening to her. So ये मोहब्बत हो गई है definitely. And प्यारी लगे is also a beautiful song. विशाल मिश्रा का song है. And बहुत ही खूबसूरत. So
Were
these
you
three
a
are my
fan
top
of
favorite.
Border, the original Border, while growing up?
Absolutely, sir. I've seen it so many times growing up. with my family, alone, with friends. And it's one of those movies that you keep going back to, and it will make you cry and feel the same emotion every single time. In fact, I watched it last as recently as I think about a week or 10 days before the release, because I wanted to feel all those emotions again. कि अब मैं 2 देखने से पहले एक बारी refresh होके 1 देख लेती हूँ, so that it finally hits me that oh my god, I'm a part of the second part. So yes.
Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And many congratulations again
Thank
for
you
the
very
success of
much.
Border 2.
Thank you so
Looking
much.
forward to lots more. Thank you.
Thank you.